I picked up my camera because I wanted to document this happening. Today we got the news. My previous vlog, I used to talk about my father-in-law. Today, he passed away. The worst thing to happen to anyone is this. You know, I've got my parents, both of my parents are still alive. Both of his parents were still alive, but now it's just his mom. And I feel so sorry. I feel so bad for his mom as well. Exactly why I went and stayed there. I just wanted to happen. Thank God I went and stayed there for a month. You know, I was able to help in that way and spend time with him. He was such a loving man. He, like, every time we would leave India, he would cry.
This call may be recorded for training and quality purposes.
What's this? Look at this. Who's this? Papu?
That's me. Kissy Papu.
Kissy Papu.
Kiss Papu.
Kissy Papu. He died 2 months ago.
Which one?
This one in picture, they both died. This photo.
Yeah.
Oh, this photo is.
Yeah.
It was so
He
fun.
was such a good man. He loved me, eh? Like,
Yeah.
yeah, he adored me so much. Do you remember how he used to cry?
Yeah, when we used to go.
Every time we leave India, he used to cry. Hi guys, so we are at the airport. Our flight's delayed by an hour. We're making the trip to India to see Papu. Look, plane. Guys, so we are in Melbourne now, waiting for our flight to Delhi. It is delayed. It's delayed a bit today. We have Amaya, she's becoming so naughty these days. What do you have to kill my vlog for? So we were supposed to leave 2 hours ago, but then, you know, our flight got delayed by 2 hours. Yeah, so that's a bummer, but it's okay. There's just so many things that's happening in that side of the world. Maya can't wait to see everyone as well. She has no idea what's going on, but she's just excited to explore and explore and explore. Yeah, Javi's doing okay. I know it's sad, but I do tell him all the time to be strong. Boarding soon. We've been here. We've been waiting for about 6, almost 7 hours. But yeah, we're so. We cannot wait. Yeah, we cannot wait to go. We just want to see people. And Ma, I wonder what Ma, like how she's doing right now. And of course his sister, you know, the whole family as well. So tired. I really need to sleep. I'll go sleep now. And I'll catch you guys when we get to Delhi. We made it to Delhi.
Bye.
Who's that? Bye. Gonna see so many byes.
Bola.
She's processing. Just
Come front. Doggy.
Hi guys, so we're at home now. We arrived home yesterday and straight away we just everyone just got emotional. It was such an emotional day, and there was no way that I could pick up the camera and start filming. It just wasn't right. I wanted to be present and in the moment, and it was so emotional. As soon as we stepped out of the car, the crying, everyone just bursted out crying, and I got emotional, and I just couldn't stop crying, especially after seeing my father-in-law's face, because he was laying there waiting for us. As the day went by yesterday, we all felt at ease, thinking, he's in a better place now. Well, I need to be strong for my mother-in-law, because it's just her now, and Kavi and his sister it's just them three left. This is my first Hindu funeral. It goes on so they've got a date, so it's gonna go on till next Sunday. He's in a better place, and may he rest in peace, and may he protect us now that he's gone always. Hi guys, so it is another day. Today is a day where they're gonna take Bapu's ashes, my father-in-law's ashes, and then they'll scatter in the river nearby. Right now we're stopping everything. We're not doing anything, not eating anything, not mopping or sweeping or just doing anything until that's done. So that is what's happening right now. And the men are outside. I'll show you. Yep. Getting ready to go to the ashes. Kavi's gonna go. Myra, where's Papu gone? Papu's gone.
Papa.
Yeah.
Papa.
He's not here anymore. He's gone. Yeah.
Mommy.
Papu gone?
Mommy.
Mommy's here. Mommy will always be here. But Papu's gone. You're not going. Yeah.
Papa.
Papa's gone to take Papu's ashes. Yeah.
Papa.
It's actually my first funeral here in India, and it's completely different than my own culture and my own religion and how we do funerals. My niece Sia just came.
Mommy.
Amira, look. It's a beautiful weather today for Papu. It's sunny. Still cold in India. Not as cold as it is in January and December. So while the men and the boys are gone to take Papu's ashes, all the ladies are sitting at the front where Papu was laid before they took him for cremation. So currently making chai for everyone. I've come to learn so much about how they do their funeral. It's very interesting, their culture and how they do their funeral, and what they believe in. I mean, it's totally different from my culture. Amara's enjoying outside. Careful, Amara.
No.
यार मुझे आने जी करी ना खिलावे या
Cuckoo.
गुक्कू
खड़ी हो जन्मदिन में
या ना ये कहाँ खड़ी आय हाय
Careful.
अरे 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 मारेगी लौंडी ना तो मारी तो खारी थी इन्हों ले ला 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 हाँ ये बेचारी जब हाँ बेबी पुच्ची करना
Careful, careful, careful.
इनको लौंडी ना मारेगी ये कर रही है पता ही अरे मैं लगा दूंगा ना परी है मेरी वो भक्त सारी परी उठ रही ला तेरे वक्त तो तेरा देख
Monster.
पूरा परांगे पूरा परांगे रेडी हो जा
So the ladies, since my father-in-law passed, they've just been sitting here.
शरीर से इधर मिलना पीछे चला गया पर कौन सा इधर मिलना पीछे आइए चांदनी
So this is exactly where he passed. His hospital bed was right there, and I saw the whole thing through this camera. And yeah, this is where he was laid, and then he passed at around 6:30 a.m. that day. That was his TV. Go. Go. That was where he was when we arrived. Yeah.
बापू है उरे हाथ जोड़ ले बापू हाथ जोड़ ले
बस बस बस
हमारा तो चोखा जोटा मैं दिया सोने का मायरा
हाँ
मेरे बार की सोरी नहीं कह रही 5 बजे की उठ रही
हाँ
हम ये बोले पिटती है उठकर भागे बच्चे डर अच्छा अरे ये तो मुझे ना अंदर जो बढ़ गया नो कहना ना बाल बढ़ गया भाई 2 घंटे
बाद में ना लेगा
अरे मां सा लग गया लाड़ कोई और ना
done. So much roti. The lady wants sugar. She just finished eating. So this is our curry for today. It's lentils. Lentils, just basic food. Till Monday next week. It's Tuesday today, so yeah. Another day.
देख
स्वाद वाइना ले देख ले बस तो देखन लग रही
एनु पर एंगा ना अपने ऊपर चढ़ेगी ना नहीं कर ला नहीं कर ला इसकी आई स्वाद है
जितने बता दिया मैं क्या कर सकूं
Puppy. Puppy's nose, eyes, ears.
इसका जीवन जेवड़ी देखे पता नहीं छोड़ती ना तोड़ेगी क्या इसकी टांग बच्चा भी भाग जाओ तो गया
She hit the puppy from her. She's looking for the puppy.
या भाई भाग गई डैडी नु कर रहा है वो आ गया कविंदर
Papa, Papa.
बाबा तान गई है बिस्कुट ठहरी गाय बुलावा है ना बुलावा पापी दुआ दस्ता है पापी इसका पापी भूल गया पापी ए बार ध्यान दी बताओ
Look at Amara. Puppy चाहिए. Hey guys, good morning. It's another day in India. It's Wednesday actually today. And yeah, doing the same thing over and over. People, mother-in-law and my sister-in-law's outside sitting around the area where the candle is, and Amara is going to sleep. The potty's for you, not for the puppy. Put it back. She literally brought the puppy in here. Bring it. Take the puppy out. Take the puppy out. No, not there. No. Gentle. Ciao.
ला पोला पट्टी पोला
Make roti. Amara, another day, another puppy moment. She loves puppies.
아니 미친이 걸다 제일 끼거리 걸러 걸로 저러다
Look at her. Her second ice cream for the day. Amira? Not good. You're not supposed to have two, just one. Just one I keep. Yeah. Nisa, listen. Listen, you naughty girl. Blah, blah. Amira sleeping through the music. Usually every day, someone comes and play a bit of music, just right next to our room, like right behind our room. That's someone's Gucci shoes. Show me. Oh, they must be so expensive. Huh? Whose shoes are those? They're Gucci, no? Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. She's gonna put her
मम्मी का थोड़ा फोन देख लिया
Say hi. Huh? What are you saying? Every time she sees someone new, she would say, hi, hello. She's too friendly. Like there was a kid, a little kid that came with his parents. I think about the same age as Amara, or maybe Amara is older, maybe he's a little bit older. So the kid was full of attitude when he came in. She's making fun of me. And Amara keeps going up to the kid trying to play with him, and the kid was like, go away, go away. He didn't actually say go away, but he was reacting that way. And I feel sorry for my love. You're just trying to be friendly, huh? You're just trying to be friendly with the kid, huh? Huh? What do you do in that situation? Do you leave the situation or do you still try? Maybe leave the situation, huh? Yeah. Yeah, because it's a boy. So I'm putting this on Amara for today because, you know, like she's growing so fast and I'm worried that she might not fit these, you know, the dresses, the Indian dresses that she has. Isn't that cute? Isn't my Amara looking so beautiful? You guys have seen this suit many times in my vlogs and it's amazing. I love it. I love her ethnic wear. So she's got this one and then she also has a yellow one. Tomorrow there will be a lot of women coming. So the politician's on its way. He's coming here today. So we're waiting for him and he might bring some politician members with him as well. Alright, as I was saying, tomorrow we have this function for Bapu. And so that's why we've got these big, massive pots. Because there's going to be people coming over to make food for us tomorrow. It's so massive. Wow. And that's Bapu's bed, hospital bed. Look how excited she is. You got so many friends, huh? Amara.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः स्वाहा ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः स्वाहा वासुदेवाय नमः स्वाहा बीच में टेक दो सारी चला दो सारी आराम से मात पिता तुम्हें पूजा आस करो मैं जिसकी ओम जय तुम्हें पूर्ण परमात्मा तुम्हें अंतर सागर तुम्हें पालन करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे श्याम सुंदर जी की आरती जो कोई जगदीश ओम संसार सारम मुस्लिम हारम सलाम संसार नंदे हम भवानी सहित नमामि तुमने सद्या तुम्हें माता पिता तुम्हें मंगल सदा तुम्हें विद्या तुम्हें सर्वे मंगल देवता शांति राम के लहर के पीछे बैठे शांति नमस्कार लो कर ले स्वाहा में
पूजा कर लो
भले सर जल्दी 500
500 तुम्हारे बंद
इस साइड में ओम करते श्रद्धे ध्योर में भगवान विष्णु मंगलम ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः
So that was the ritual that we did. Today's the last day, so that was the ritual that we did for yeah. It was something that we did today that I need answers for. Yeah, I thought it was kind of weird, but I'll ask Harvey why we did that. We were touching the guy's feet, the guy that used to take care of my father-in-law. So I wanted to ask Kavi why we did that. Hey guys, I'm back in the room just putting Amaya to sleep. This is usually the time that she goes to sleep, so. And a lot's happening outside. I can hear some of the ladies crying. It'll be the last day to do that. And then at 1 o'clock, it's 10 a.m. So at 1 o'clock, we'll be doing another thing where I think everyone's gonna come and they're gonna bestow Kavi as the head of this family, because now, you know, his father had passed, so he's the next in line. It's our time to be responsible and look after this family since he's the only son. So it looks like they're gonna be doing another ritual here. I'm gonna go see what's happening outside. Hopefully get a snip out of it.
और लो एक बार
दोबारा
ओम अमृता पिलामसी स्वाहा एक बार और लो ओम सत्यम यशः श्रीमयी श्रीतां स्वाहा। अब हाथ को आप हाथ में पानी डाल के पीछे धो लो, या ये पीछे धो लो, कोई बात नहीं। और यहाँ भी गिर जाए कोई बात नहीं, वो तो बस कुछ नहीं, पीछे है जगह पीछे। अब लेफ्ट हैंड में थोड़ा 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 और अपने अंग स्पर्श करना है। पहले जो हमारा राइट हैंड है तो राइट फिर लेफ्ट। देखते ओम नसोर में प्राणस्तु राइट नोज लेफ्ट नोज। ओम अक्षोर में चक्षुरस्तु राइट लेफ्ट। ओम कर्णोर में श्रोत्रमस्तु। ओम बाहुर में बलमस्तु। ओम ऊर्ध्वा ओजोस्तु। ओम अरिष्टानि मेत्राणि तनुष्कन्वा में सह संतु। अपने पूरे शरीर में आत्मन किया कि हमारी जो चम्मच पकड़ो। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वधोरेवः भो। बस इसमें बीच में दीपक को उधर अस्मिन् सदस्ते अद्युतरस्मिन्दा पशुर्ब्रह्मवर्चसे नान्नादेन समेधय स्वाहा वेदस्ते सर्वस्वचे च वर्धया चास्मान् प्रजया पशुर्ब्रह्मवर्चसे नान्नादेन समेधय स्वाहा। राइट से लेफ्ट। ओम देव सविता प्रसुवयजं प्रसुवयजं प्रतिम्बगाय दिव्यो गणवः के तपुः के तन्नः पुनातु वाचस्पतिर्वाचन्नः स्वदतु। इधर ही ओम सोमाय स्वाहा। इदं सोमाय इदं नमः। ओम प्रजापतये स्वाहा। इदं प्रजापतये इदं नमः। ओम इंद्राय स्वाहा। इदं इंद्राय इदं नमः। एक वन हैंड से प्रॉपर्ली, अगर सिंगल हैंडेडली हो रहा है तो सिंगल हैंडली यू कैन डू प्रॉपर। ओम सूर्यो वचो ज्योतिर्वचः स्वाहा। ओम ज्योति सूर्य सूर्यो ज्योति स्वाहा। ओम सजुर्वैवेन सवित्रा सजुर्वत्याजुषर्णः यो वेतु स्वाहा। ओम भूरग्नये प्राण सायंकाल की करवा। ओम अग्निज्योतिर्ज्योतिरग्निः स्वाहा। ओम अग्निवर्चो ज्योतिर्वचः स्वाहा। वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम सर्वं वै पूर्णं स्वाहा। हेलो बस बस। कर्णे विष्णुयाम देव भद्रं पश्ये यजमानस्य कामः। ओम सफला सन्तु यजमानस्य कामः। यज्ञ आपका संपन्न हुआ।
So we just finished the other ritual, and now I think they're gonna prepare food for lunch. Yeah, I'm hiding in the room. I just don't want to be outside. Oh my god, it's so busy. There's so many people outside. doing their own thing. There's like women on the other side crying, and the women from our family in the lounge just chatting, and then we've got the men's out here, and then me in here hiding, and then Amara sleeping, and some other people at the front. So I'm just gonna hide here until someone comes and asks me to go meet some people. But yeah. The ladies are there. So this is Papu's photo that we did. That's a nice photo, huh? बढ़िया है, अच्छी है photo.
Nice picture.
So usually when someone passes away, they put this over the photo frame. It means that he's no longer with us. Look how good looking he is. So handsome. Who's that? Papu. Papu. You miss Papu? Amara, you miss Papu? You got a bindi? Kiss Papu. Kiss Papu. Kissy. Aww. Kissy Papu. Nah. Amira. Oh my gosh. Why did you do that? Where's Papu? And where's Papu? And where's Papu? Where are we gonna put it? We're gonna put it here? Where are we gonna put it?
Take it away. What's that?
So we've got some of our family members in the lounge, just relaxing. They're gonna be going soon. And I don't know where Amira is. Like, I'm trying to find her, but I think she's outside. Yeah, I can't see it in the camera as well. This girl, she needs to come and eat. Look at her. This is my food. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat it and then wrap it up. Hi guys, before I go to sleep, I am so tired today, but before I go to sleep, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I know it's going to be emotional when we watch it back, because I'm going to be adding some, clips of the memories that we've shared with my father-in-law. But yeah, it's most of our family members have gone back to their homes. But yeah, we really miss having, our Papu, our father-in-law, my father-in-law, and Kabi misses having his dad around. Yeah, life is like that. I've got my mum and dad who are still alive, and my siblings, and yeah, that's just life. We can't do anything about it. I mean, we all have our time here on earth, and then there's a time where God says, oh, it's you've done your time and it's time to come to me. Thank you so much for watching the vlogs and for supporting me always, in the comments.
खिलाता नहीं तो जब यार उसका या खिलाता तो ना और देखिए बापू तो कुछ करता है
Kissy. Aww.